News feeds narratives, and which news story gets traction shows which narrative is being pushed. So sporadic incidents involving religious minorities make front page news, even international headlines that promptly brand India an intolerant country. But here's a survey that may not make headlines or the front page. That's because it says religious freedom is not a problem in India. This is a Pew Research survey, and for those of you unaware, the Pew Research Center is one of the world's biggest think tanks. It provides data on public issues and trends shaping the world. Now, before the pandemic hit us, this center carried out a face-to-face survey of nearly 30,000 Indian adults. It was conducted in 17 languages, apparently covered all Indian states. The study has come up with 10 interesting findings. We've picked out the top for you. Number one, an overwhelming number of Indians say they enjoy religious freedom. They live religiously segregated lives but value religious tolerance. They say respecting other religions is very important to them. This includes people in all 6 major religious groups in India. Look at the numbers. 91% Hindus saying they're free to practice their religion. 89% Muslims said that they're free to practice their faith. For Christians, it's the same, 89%, for Sikhs 82%, Buddhists 93%, and Jains 85%. Where is the intolerance? Look at another set of numbers. Respecting all religions as a core Indian value. 85% Hindus said that respecting all religions is very important to being Indian. 78% Muslims believe the same, 78% Christians, 81% Sikhs, 84% Buddhists, and 83% Jains. There's more on national identity here. For many Hindus, their national identity, religion and language are closely connected. Look at this graph. 64% Hindus said that being Hindu is very important to being truly Indian. 59% said that speaking Hindi is very important. 51% said that both are equally important to being truly Indian. The third finding, and this one's interesting, the study says that dietary laws are central to the religious identity of many Indians. Nearly 3/4 of Hindus believe that a person cannot be Hindu if they eat beef. Similarly, nearly 77% Muslims believe that a person cannot be Muslim if they eat pork. The fourth key finding, the study says India's caste system continues to fracture society. A large share of Indians believe that it is important to not marry into other castes. And this is regardless of their faith and gender. 63% Hindu men and 64% Hindu women believe that they should not marry outside their caste. It's the same for Muslims. 70% men and 74% women believe that it is not right to marry outside their caste. And here's the most striking finding. India's religious groups share several religious practices and beliefs. The survey says that after living side by side for generations, India's minority groups hold beliefs and engage in practices that are more closely associated with Hindu traditions than their own. The examples being given are these. The bindi, a decorative mark worn by Indian women on their foreheads. It's not just the Hindus who wear one. Look at these figures. Similarly, the belief that the river Ganga has the power to purify. It's prevalent across religions, not limited to Hindus. Also, the concept of karma, a Hindu belief that what goes around comes around, that the sum of a person's actions in this or past life will decide their fate in the future. Hindus believe in it, as do an equal number of Muslims and a remarkably high number of people from other religions. Now, what do all of these findings, all of these numbers tell you? That India is a diverse and devout country, that there are differences and there are similarities. There are challenges, but also the sensibility to not let these challenges spill into conflicts. And above everything else, people hold strong views and are not shy of expressing them. They enjoy religious freedom and value religious tolerance. This is the story of India told in numbers, not prejudiced narratives. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.